कलर मुखाय मस्त कलर या काय पडलं बटाटा जो बटाटे स्टार्ट करतो इथं उन्हाळा उभा खूप करेल कपड्याला
This is the modernized elevator at Boscov's at Woodbridge Center. Going down. Yeah, while I hate to see vintage elevators get modernized, this thing really needed it. So I will have to say, nice job, Schindler. This was originally a Westinghouse from 1978. The store was originally Hahne's. And no, do not say that this used to be an OTIS. Because if this was originally OTIS, it would have the OTIS logo on the door track. And as you can see, it doesn't. This was originally a Westinghouse, not an OTIS. Anybody who says that this used to be an OTIS will have their comment removed and be banned from my YouTube channel. Ring the bell. There it goes, and that's it.